Now let's look at how we do insertion sort. I'm going to bring up this list here. And with insertion sort, we always start with the second item in the list. And then what we do is we compare it to the item before it. If it's less than the item before, we're going to do this, and we'll drop that into the correct spot. Then we go to the next item, and we do the same thing. We compare it to the item before that. This one is not less than, so we don't move this one. This one, we compare it to the 6. We move this over. We compare it to the 4. It's not less than the 4. We drop that in. And then the 1, we're going to compare that to the 6 and the 5 and the 4. And then finally, the 2, we put that there. We drop this in. That one's actually going to be a special case, the one that goes all the way to the beginning. And we'll talk about that when we code that. And then the last one here, we'll move this over until we finally compare it to the 2. It's not less than the 2. So that one goes there. And then once that 3 gets dropped in there, that's the last item, and that means that the entire list is sorted. In the next video, when we code this, we're going to start out with a list that looks like this. We're just going to swap these 2 items to make things a little bit easier so we don't have to walk through as many steps. And this is where we'll pick up in the next video when we code insertion sort.